Guys, good morning and welcome to Dr. Tomorosemedia. And on today's tutorials, you can see Mr. Beulah, a client channel is set up. She got monetized just some days back, and as you can see, the watch page is up, and also different tools for her to actually monetize this channel. You can see we have what you call watch page, we have short feed, we have membership, and we have super. So without not wasting time, we're going to be monetizing the page through the step-by-step process. Okay, so you're going to turn on this, and then make sure you read the terms and conditions. So because I have read and I know everything that is yes, I'll just click on accept. So make sure you read yours carefully because they keep on changing policy. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm working. I saw leave the house by 12. It's not yet 12. I'm not dressed up. Call me on WhatsApp on video call so you see what I'm doing. You set on your channel. Let me stop this later. This tutorials. Okay.